you guys, today I wanted to take you guys along with me as I work. Today I have a couple of campaigns that I need to finish. I'm also I have documented my skin journey. It was really bad. I'm going to put some before pictures here so you know what's happening. So I did go to the dermatologist, so I was documenting what my skin was going through, put that up on my stories, and right now I was actually just doing stories for my skincare routine, what I have been using. I've just kept everything here. Got a couple of things from Kiehl's, and I was also telling everyone about this Isdin sunscreen. I think I already showed you guys this sunscreen, and yeah, so just got done with that. I'm actually going to film a skincare routine, do like a quick reel, a really simple one which would work very well for like dry skin, something very basic. So that's what I'm going to do now, and after that I actually will be working out. Today I woke up late, so the weather's been so cold, I just could not wake up. I went back to sleep. So we're working out a little later in the evening today. Before I do anything though, I did make myself another cup of coffee. I'm using this new coffee that I love. I got this coffee, there was a buy one get one offer, so I just bought it. This is just so good. It smells amazing. Shadow, I'm so jealous of your life. Look at that. This is her 20 hours a day. This is what I'm wearing, just going to work out. And this top is from Naked. How do you pronounce it? It's the activewear range from Nykaa, and the jacket and the pants are from Seek. I really love their stuff. It's really good quality. The material is amazing. Both, even the Nykaa one, I really like the material, and even the Seek one, I have worn them a lot, washed them a lot, and they performed really well. And the shoes are Reebok. I forgot to mention it in my previous vlog. I'm gonna try and find them online and link it here for you guys. I won't make it easy for you now. I got done with my workout and I just changed into this really cute outfit. It's from Maisy. I will find it and link it down below for you guys. I also did a little bit of base. I used the new K Beauty concealers. It should be released and out by the time I put out this vlog. It is their latest launch and I'm really impressed. I just did like a before after sort of comparison photo for the pre-buzz on my stories, and I actually am really happy with the way it looks on my skin. It's actually really hydrating, and I love formulas like that, especially now that my skin is slightly dry. And yeah, so I'm wearing pink because I have to do the benefit story. So I am going to go film that, and I will keep you guys on somewhere in the side as well. I'm trying to hurry up because the light is kind of dying and I really want to do this in natural light. Look what happened. I'm in a rush. I was applying my mascara. I used a Bad Girl Bang and I got all of it under my eye. So I'm just going to wait for this to kind of dry down so that I can use a spoolie and wipe it away. But it's so annoying. The light has gone down. I'm done filming and I'm just about to sit down and edit. I have both my girls passed out next to me. This is girl number 1 and we have girl number 2. This is her favorite place to sleep on. It's right next to me while I work on the sofa. Just just got done editing the video. Now I'm actually gonna go make some dinner and actually work some more. I have a couple of more videos to film, and we'll see if we can do it at this hour, because I generally prefer doing it with natural light, but I will try and do some settings if I can work it out with my ring light, and let's see if it works out. If it doesn't, then I think I will shoot it tomorrow. So this is what my dinner is going to be: a little bit of salad, some chicken, dal and rice, and 2 eggs scrambled. I will be calling it a night after my dinner. I couldn't really get a good lighting. I think it would look much better in natural light. So we are going to continue this tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day. I have yoga practice. Right now this is going to be my first yoga practice of the year with my hair. I'm so excited. And after that we'll get right into work.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
Oh my god, that was life opening. I can't explain it to you. Oh my god. That was intense, but I feel so rejuvenated after this class. Right now I'm just going through all of the K-Beauty concealers. This is the new launch that I was talking about yesterday. Thinking of doing like a concealing, contouring, highlighting sort of a reel. So just going to figure that out now. I will now go take a quick shower, and then I'm gonna go straight to filming.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her.
So I got done filming. This is the final look that I did, and now I have actually transferred everything to my laptop and I will start editing. I need to post this really soon. I also got done eating my lunch, and it's the same thing as dinner last night, so I quickly reheated it and ate my lunch, and now I'm just waiting for all of the files to transfer so that I can get to editing.
Give you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I get love and try, give you up, no, I ain't giving you up. Get love and try, give you up, no, I ain't giving you up, no.
Okay, my hair looks so bad. I just got done posting the video. Just put it up. You guys should go watch this if you haven't already. You've actually seen me film this video. Right now I have intensified my makeup just a little bit because I'm going to film for this contact lens brand. This is from Johnson & Johnson. This is their Bubble Pop range. Just going to change my lens. Make sure that your hands are absolutely clean before you touch your eyes. I think I'll need a mirror, and there's Sushi's hair in it. Oh my god, there's fur on everything. Success! It's a very natural looking lens. I actually quite love it. This is what it looks like. Very, very pretty and natural looking. I need to wear my specs so that I'm able to like set up the camera and stuff. The last time I wore it, I actually wore it with my regular powered lenses, which was already on my eyes, and then I wore the lens on top and I could see everything. But when I removed it, the both lenses got merged together and it was really weird. and I just could not put it back again in. So this time I'm not taking the risk. I'd rather not disturb the lens and wear my specs, set everything up, remove it, take the picture. It's been such a struggle. Just got done filming. I think got some good shots. I think this should do. Alright, so I think that's it. I filmed a quick reel as well, which hopefully I can put up. It's going to tell you how you can get this glow. It's a really cool trick. I am calling it a day. I am done. I need to edit this vlog too. I am ready to edit. I have my girl with me. Shadow is ready to help me. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I'm having a lot of fun filming it for you guys, and thank you so much for coming along with me. It's so nice to be able to share a glimpse of what I do, the behind the scenes of everything that goes along creating all this content. And as you can see, it's quite a monotonous process. It's me filming, editing, sleeping in between, and working out in between. That's all I have been doing, and I wouldn't have asked for any other way. Thank you so much. I hope you guys subscribe, because there's a lot of vlogs coming your way, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.